pair of shooters here with Everytime Disco. Supposed to play the Side Lake Tournament Battle of the Sexes. We're gonna play the long tees, me and Porky here, and they're gonna play the short tees. We'll both be shooting at the short basket. It's gonna be fun. Who will win? Nobody knows. It's gonna be a mystery.
See how it shakes out. Hopefully we.
They won the last one, so they're already we need revenge. Revenge. You'll see it.
We'll
Revenge
see
today. We're gonna get it.
We'll see how it shakes out.
We're Revengers.
I don't know. We got this.
We're gonna make a movie called The Revengers. Every time. Every time.
Every time.
What was that?
Yeah.
Wind is quite strong, but hopefully hole 2 it does calm down. The last one's gonna be crazy out over the hill.
Look at those trees swaying.
No, you guys, we got them together.
No, I got a 4. I got a 4.
We all got 4. Shame. Shame. Shame.
Shame. Shame.
The only person we ever shame. Shame. The only person we ever shame. 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 I hope we never get shamed. I realize the karma I'm giving myself, I'm kind of regretting the shit. Shame.
It's not my fault.
Nice.
We don't have to steal the move.
Oh.
Oh, I'm right on the path there. All right.
Now, but we're gonna be fair.
Nice. Kitty baby, it's me.
Everybody ordered that.
Oh, that's exciting.
Another good putt.
3.
I got a 5.
I got a 4.
I got a 5.
3.
We just give a 5.
Wow, look at this. This almost goes right through like this. Right there.
Did you see that?
Come back.
It was a perfect laser line.
Those 2 trees together?
Yeah.
He went between them.
Nice one, Ashley.
Good. Probably on the edge.
Oh, it didn't do bad things with it.
Okay. That was not bad at all.
I got a really long car shot.
That was
Wow.
That looked like it was going to go over.
I know, right? I actually am pretty okay with that.
I'm hoping it's close enough. But...
Yeah. Nice turnover.
I was hoping it would go more.
Hey, it's all right. There's no talking about that. Nice.
Best drive yet.
Right on the
Mine
fairway.
went down the left, and I went from the far back. Jeez. Mine's like, oh, I throw like a lady. Ed, Lauren,
Nice.
later episode.
It's getting too hard to record this ourselves. We're gonna need to find ourselves a cameraman. Comment below if you want to apply for the cameraman position for Everytime Disc Golf.
You can even do one where he's filming away and you throw and you hear, did you get that? Lawrence! Lawrence Michael John!
I got a 4. I got a 4.
Three? First freaking par.
We are on hole 5. We are tied 7-7.
That just is gone forever. I don't know. The wind kind of calmed down for that one. Wow. Yeah.
Very nice job.
Well, you can't see it from here, but that's got to be pretty close to the basket.
I cleared up high enough over the trees. The wind that
If
could
you don't get a birdie, I'm hitting you.
Ooh, I look good.
Wow, nice throw, Ashley. Listen for James. Copy.
Very nice.
Are
Should be on the green.
I don't know if it went in. That was a really nice throw.
Did you see how nice her throw was?
I thought it was very nice.
Even though she's not on my team, I'm going to say nice throw and quit it. And quit it. Oh, wow.
You're gonna be in that little thing. You're gonna have a good shot. Yeah. You're gonna have a good shot. Oh, you're gonna have a good
Only one shot. Was that me dropping ready? That's you, Porky.
Ashley,
That's for
you're
a
gonna
wall.
have to carry me.
That's where wall planted yesterday, though. It's kind of a clearing right there. I think I'm where's the open wheel.
Why? What did you have?
Ben, you did not sell it as well.
Birdie!
Birdie.
There, you celebrate this. Birdie! Oh, yeah!
That's a birdie!
Oh, snap into a Slim Jim! Half of it! That's how you celebrate a birdie.
More mature team.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was almost an ace.
You almost ate it, but you're on your phone. You're on Fox video. It might be it.
No, I don't think so.
Not it.
You never know. That's the first G-box.
I look at the bottom of my foot, there's like 15 of them dead, and I just straighten them off.
I think I'm alright.
You're all right.
Yeah, I'm in the ditch. I'm in the ditch.
I'm on the fairway.
I like the positive can do, eh? Can do.
We will shame for that one though.
I think you're on that path. Rolling.
Oh no.
I rolled over.
Give me a P, give me an A, give me an R.
Hey, from here it looks like it's in the basket. It stopped right where the chains are.
All right, count it.
Porky, don't worry, we'll come up with a bogey chant.
What the fuck?
There was good news.
Fudge
though, Porky.
everywhere, like chocolate with nuts.
Sorry guys, I got a potty mouth.
Where's mine?
I just said it rolled way into the woods.
You're way down the hill and in the woods.
Do you think, Porky?
Oh yeah.
You're almost as bad as I am. Okay, move.
Nice putt from way down there.
I was just joking, that didn't happen. That actually didn't happen. Porky's like, no pressure down there, you got a mercy. So he doesn't even try.
Nice putt, April.
We're actually so close.
Oh, I got it sick.
I'm good. I'm a 2-punch carry.
Nice out. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Bounce.
We use the tree.
Barked.
Every tree loves me today.
Even the dead trees.
Every tree.
Hey.
Never know why.
All right, Porky, you sink this one. You sink this one, Porky, and you'll totally redeem yourself for the last hole.
I hope it's. I'm probably gonna lay up and then try to make the next one.
Definitely lay up if you're not comfortable laying.
Did you just push somebody's disc? I didn't realize we were curling.
Got a 6, people.
I got a 3, so we just vice
Okay.
first.
All right.
We're just vice first.
Now we're gonna turn
3.
Back.
That's good. Did you see the deer?
Nice.
You're in a good. I'm in a good place.
I'm in the woods. Darn.
Beautiful moist.
Yep. Right? Thank you for giving me that tip.
That works out.
Porky's up now in the tree. Very nice.
Hopefully get a 4.
I think I might get an eagle.
This one is par 73.
Oh, bogey, that's that one.
That's that word.
A burgle?
Burgle.
Simul putt.
Oh, you didn't go at the same time? We had a very small window. We shared it.
I don't do well with that,
That was
though.
pressure.
Into the woods, that's what he threw. No, that's actually pretty good there, I think.
Oh yeah.
Ouch. I feel for you.
It looked like it was good, but it hit a tree.
Oh man, that's not fair.
It's still rolling.
Oh what?
Oh.
You're not wrong. And that's what that just does. Well played.
Nice putt.
Read it. Nice. Really?
Yes, finally.
Nice. April.
Got a 4.
Okay, we're here to do a update or a score recap of the first half.
Battle of the sexes.
They're a little bit sadder this time, you may notice. It's because we are currently leading, but it is only halfway, so we're going to limit the snack talk right now.
Yeah, we rule! You're so! That's all we're doing.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to step up
Pull
our
it up
game.
a little bit.
But by we, I really mean me. Right now, Ashley's carrying us big time, but you know,
And we just figured that we can't win all the time.
they'll stop playing with us for one.
Exactly. They'll probably quit the game.
They cried the whole
Also,
night.
and we know that they love it so
First
much, so we gotta tone it down a little bit for them to win.
But we're still gonna step it up a little bit. We need to break that.
They're winning by way
stroke.
too much right
Yeah.
now, so we're gonna step it up.
This is Ashley's 8th hole.
7-stroke difference.
This is Ashley's
For those
face
counts.
hole. Okay, are we done?
We are now.
That's a good way to end it.